Jamaica,
the
watch
inspector was
this.
arrested on reasonable suspicion of breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. It's reported that about 7:10 yesterday evening, a team from the FNID acted on information that vehicles parked along a section of Moore Street were being used in illegal drug activity. On arrival of the police team, the suspect was observed among other patrons. The police requested a search of the 3 vehicles, including the suspects. Searches were conducted on 2 of the vehicles. Their owners were identified as a member of the Jamaica Defense Force and a mechanic. However, the policeman reportedly refused to give the police team access to his vehicle. The FNID says a senior officer was called to the scene, and on her arrival, the suspect reportedly informed her that cocaine was inside his vehicle. All 3 vehicles were secured and subsequently towed to the FNID headquarters, where the suspect's vehicle was opened and searched in his presence. 5 rectangular parcels wrapped in masking tape and clear plastic, each containing a white powdery substance resembling cocaine with an estimated weight of 5.8 kilograms or 12.5 pounds with a street value of more than $30 million were found in a white plastic bag. A secondary operation was conducted at the suspect's residence. However, nothing illegal was found. Members of CTOC and the fraud squad have been left in shock as the inspector has a long track record of being a professional member of the JCF.